Today we talk about how can you disable level up notifications on your Plato app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you click here on above your photo profile, just click on it here. Then you come to your profile here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here, you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to level up, click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone, that's me level up notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.